Hello everyone, my name is Lauren Swenson, and in this video I will be describing the prototyping and testing process for my problem in the CEP 817 course at Michigan State University. Throughout this course, I have been addressing the problem in my elementary school of the peer-to-peer program, which addresses social issues amongst students receiving special education services. For my possible solution, I created a quote unquote social skills playbook that contains several undesired behaviors and social stories to help mitigate the behaviors. This goes along with an example lesson plan that demonstrates a possible conversation to be had within the lesson. These resources are designed to be sent out to any staff member that could possibly need a low preparation intervention without the formality of the peer to peer program so more students can receive these types of services. On the left GIF, you will see the example of the lesson plan, and on the right, it shows the slideshow that would be demonstrated or presented to the students during this intervention. When testing this prototype, I sent the resources to my school's social worker who runs the peer to peer program for a comparison on how closely aligned the resource is to the small group intervention style of the peer to peer program. I also sent these resources to a colleague at Michigan State University for additional feedback. This is the feedback that I received from my school social worker who runs the peer to peer program. And overall, she thought this was an excellent resource to be sent out to the general education teachers. And the only tweaking that she would recommend is adding a wrap up conversation at the very end of the lesson. But the lesson itself is closely aligned to the peer to peer program and would be a beneficial resource for any special education students. And in this email, a screenshot of the email that she sent me, she sent some example questions to be asked in this discussion. And this is the feedback that I received from my MSU colleague. And the only feedback that she really gave me is to include some sort of helpful color code format in the procedure section of the lesson plan so that way it is easier to follow for the staff member that may be addressing the behaviors in the classroom. Overall, I thought this testing went very well and only minor adjustments need to be made to my prototype. And this could be tested again on students when the needs arise to further evaluate the strength of this prototype. Thank you so much for listening.